Welcome again to Playing with Mathematics. This is the second video of 80 problems of mapping. If anyone has not seen the first video, go and check it for further understanding. So let's start the problem number 21. Here given f r to r is a function such that fx equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2. Therefore, we can also write fx equal to, it is of the form sin hyperbolic x also. The graph of the function is this sin hyperbolic x. If you know the graph of the function, then you can easily find the result of the MCQ problems. It can easily see that domain plus infinitive fx range also goes to plus infinitive, and domain minus infinitive tends to minus infinitive, then the value of the function that is range is also minus infinitive. So you can say that it is 1 1 and 1 2 mapping, 1 1 and 1 2 mapping, 1 1 and 1 2, that is bijective mapping. Or we can say if any line parallel to x axis cuts the curve only one point, then it is 1 1, that is any line parallel to x axis, therefore cuts only one point. For any line, any parallel line, it cuts only one point, so it is 1 1. Or otherwise f dash x, if we derivative the function of fx, this is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2, that is cos hyperbolic x. It is also greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Therefore, it is increasing function, so it is 1 1. This is the condition of 1 1 function. For 1 2 case, you can easily form the graph, or otherwise long method y equals, let fx equals y equals e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2. From this we can get the result x equals y log of y plus root over of 1 plus y square. It is for values, real values of y, this is exist, that is f of this equal to y. Thus for each y there must have a preimage y plus root over of 1 plus y square. So it is 1 and 1 2, that is bijective mapping. Now come to the problem 22. 22 also fx equal to e to the power x. From the graph of the function e to the power x, this is the graph of e to the power x, e to the power x, e to the power 2x is also of the form this. Now here domain is df plus infinitive to minus infinitive domain, that is R. Range is always the positive side, R of f always the positive of the y axis direction, that is the function image range. Therefore the range is R of the function equals, this tends to 0 and this tends to infinity, plus infinity, tends to plus infinity, that is R plus. So range of the function is the Rf equal to R plus, therefore it is 1 2, and 1 1 is also f dash x greater than 0, e to the power x greater than 0, or any function, any line parallel to x axis cuts the curve only one point, so it is 1 1 and 1 2 also, that is the result is the B. Now let us come to the problem number 23. Given fx equal to 1 by x. Now y equal to 1 by x, that is xy equal to 1. Geometrically we say that it is the curve of the rectangular hyperbola with asymptotes axes. Now here the domain of the function is 1 to infinity, that is 1 x equals 1 y equal to 1 from 1 to infinity, or f 1 to infinity. Therefore, the 1 to infinity, this tends to as x tends to, it is also decreasing curve, or otherwise you can say f dash x equals minus 1 by x square, it always less than 0 for all x belongs to 1 infinity. Decreasing curve, strictly decreasing, so it is 1 also, or graph from the graph of the function you can say easily say that it is 1 function. Also range of the it is continuous 1 function, so range of the function equals f of 1 and f of infinity plus infinity, that is equals f of 1 and this is goes to 0, y as x tends to infinity, y tends to 0. So it is also 1 on true. So the result is B. Now for the problem 24. You can easily get the result. You can do it f x equal to 2x plus sin x. Therefore f dash x equal to 2 minus cos x, 2 plus cos x, 2 plus sin x, 2 plus cos x. Therefore as cos x always less than equal to minus 1 to greater than equal to 1, this is always greater than 0 for all x greater than 0, for all x, for all real x, for all real x. Therefore the graph of the function is also 1 so this is also 1 if this is greater than 0, increasing function, strictly increasing, it is, so it is 1 also on to f of range f of plus infinity to f of minus infinity, this is also infinity to minus infinity, therefore R. So it is also 1 on to bijective mapping. Now for the problem 25, f x equals x cube, f x equal to x cube plus 5 square by f dash x, also f dash x equals 3x square plus 5, this is also greater than 0 for x square for all real x, therefore it is increasing function. Similarly it is 1 and also for on to the case, let y equal to for each x there existent y equals x cube plus 5x plus 1, therefore it is a, or x cube plus 5x plus 1 minus y equal to 0, it is a cubic equation, so it must have at least one real root. Therefore it is also for each y we can get only we can get 1 x, so it is on to also, therefore it is also bijective. This is the problem of PSC problem. Sum number 26, we check the problem if it is bijective. F this to this, therefore we can write also f x equals 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 by x, therefore f dash x equals 1 by 1 minus x the square plus 1 by x square. This is also greater than 0 for all x belongs to 0 1. This is also greater than 0, therefore it is strictly increasing, strictly increasing, so it is 1 1. For on to case strictly increasing, for on, and in this interval it is also continuous. So for on to case, the range of the function f of as x tends to 0 plus f(x) tends to minus infinity and x tends to 1 minus f(x) tends to plus infinity. So the range of the function is R. So it is also 1 1 and on to, that is bijective mapping. Now sum number 27. Sum number 27, f(x) equal to root x, that is if we write y equal to root x, then y square equal to x, y square equal to, that is x equal to y square equal to x. Y square is of the form this, but here the domain is R plus, so R plus domain is R plus, and range also you can write for 1 1 checking, it is also 1 1 for any line through parallel to x axis cuts the line, cuts the curve only 1 point, or any line cuts the curve only 1 point. So for different values of x, x1 that is x2, you get f of x1, f of x2. Therefore x1 not equal to x2, f of x1 not equal to f of x2. So it is also 1 1. Or you can also derivative this dy by dx, that is f dash x equals half 1 by root x. It is also greater than 0 for all x belongs to R plus. Therefore it is also 1 1. For on to case, f of 0 plus equals, that is y equal to 0, f(x) 0 plus equal to 0, or f of infinity equal to plus infinity. Therefore it is also range of the function equal to codomain, Rf equal to codomain equal to, given codomain is R plus, that is 0 infinity. So it is also 1 1 and 1 2 bijective mapping. Sum number 28, it is a curve of f(x) such that f equal to sin x. You can draw the curve of the function, the sin x, this. Now for pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, this is pi by 2 to minus pi, this goes to 1, this is minus 1. So domain is this to this, and range is this. Or in the previous video we can say any one of the any trigonometric function is of the form f(x) equal to sin x or cos x, or any form in the one coordinate. This is also 1 1 and 1 1 and 1 2. Therefore it is also bijective. Now problem number 29, f(x) equal to 29, f(x) equals log of x. The log of x graph is this, log x. 29 it is a log x, f(x) equal to log x. Therefore f dash x equals 1 by x. It is also greater than 0 for all x greater than 0. Therefore it is 1 1, or from the graph we can easily say it is 1 1. It is 1 1, and for on to case, f of x tends to 0 plus, this is the x axis, x tends to 0 plus, then function tends to minus infinity. Fx equal to log x tends to minus infinity, and x tends to infinity, y fx also tends to infinity. So range of the function is R equal to codomain. Range of the function equal to R equal to codomain. Therefore, it is also bijective mapping. Now, problem number 30, it is from Z to N. Z to N, it is not the continuous curve, so we putting the values of Z in the values of Z -2, -1 by inspection method 0, 1, 2. You can easily putting these values. X equals 1 greater than equal to 1, x greater than equal to 1 means 2 of this, 2 of this, 2, 2 of this 4, 2 of this 6. Now for 0, putting x equal to 0, x less than 0, this gives x greater than less than equal to 0, x less than equal to 0, x equal to 0 means gives the result x less than equals 0, z equals 0, you get the result, get the result 1, x equal to -1, you get the result 3, and x equal to -2, you get the result 5. So all the natural number comes here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, z to n, it is also 1, 1, 1, 2, that is bijective. For today, the rest problem will be done on the next video. One more thing, that is the next video will be in Bengali. Take care. Goodbye.